I give thanks to my business partnership, Big Yard and Island Breeze Company. Give me some juice and some cornflakes and kupsu and those things, and I put up something probably reach like about 800 gifts to give away in the downtown Kingston today. Yeah, and because I run business in the downtown for 20 years now, and right now in this rough situation, I will try my best and to help out the people then, because I saw a lot of people they're out of job now and they suffer. So I try my best and do what we can do to, yeah.